Hey guys, this is Ajay. So this will be our today's workflow. We'll be seeing H3 batch operation. In batch operation, we have many types of functionalities. What is H3 batch operation? That is, if I want to copy billions of objects or replace all the object tags of billions of objects at scale with just one click, I can do with H3 batch operation. Billions of file can be transfer or like copy or restoring or deleting object. We can do in a batch. In single batch, we'll be doing everything. That is called H3 batch operation. In batch operation, we are having copy option, and we can invoke a lambda function or replace the object tags, which is for the given for objects, delete object tags, replace ACL, and restore. We can restore from S3 glaciers. And also we have nice options called object lock retention and object lock trigger hold. These two are for governance purpose. So we will be uploading a data from GitHub to our Indian S3 bucket, and then from Indian S3 bucket, we will be transferring all the files to USA with S3 batch operation. We'll be copying and we'll be also copying and we'll be changing the object tags while we are doing. So the data will be Avengers images and all other folders like uh, CSS file and HTML file. So let's get started. I'll be giving this link below. Go inside my GitHub link and you can find the images and S3 batch operation CSV file. This file is very important. This will be the main job which we are going to use. And images, we'll be having all the images. So download this both too and save in your desktop. After doing this, go inside the folder. We are having different types of file. We are having HTML file, and we are having a text document, and we are having a CSV file, that is CSV file, and we are having JPG files from Avengers, Captain America, Hulk, Iron Man, and Thor. To make it simplified, click H3 batch operation CSV file, where we have created a small script. In the script, you have to change your bucket name with this. That is, we have to create a bucket and replace and update CSV file. Let's say YouTube S3, YouTube S3 batch operation India. Enable the versioning and create the bucket. Let's wait for a few minutes. Go inside the bucket, copy the bucket name, and update this file. You have to replace with the bucket name for all. So you have to give your own bucket name and you have to save. After saving this file, we're going to upload all the objects. Go to the bucket, click inside the bucket, and we will be having upload option. Click that upload option, add file. Now you can, in desktop, we are having S3 batch operation file, which we have downloaded from GitHub. Go inside this and control all. Your CSV file should be also there here, and give this. So we are having the main file, that is S3 batch operation CSV file, and all other file. Upload it. Let's wait for a few seconds. So I think upload has been failed. So let's upload another object, which is Thor. Add file. Where is store? It's here. We have uploaded. Upload. We have uploaded all the objects. So let's check with the file. So this is the order. We have given our bucket name here and the value, that is that object name here. And we have saved in CSV file. Close this. We have uploaded the first part and go inside Amazon S3, create another bucket, which is for USA. Let's choose in Northern Virginia and bucket name is YouTube S3 batch operation USA. After giving that, enable versioning and create your bucket. So after this, click here. We are having batch operation. Go inside the batch operation in Amazon S3. So choose US Northern Virginia. The batch file must be where our destination file is. That is, our original file is in India, but when we are doing batch operation, the batch file must be created in the target or destination. So let's choose USA and create a job. So it is in USA. So we have three options, but we are going to use CSV file format. And where is our file? It is in India. So browse this, choose the India, and within that we are having actually batch operation CSV file. Choose path. So we have updated this and give next. So we have already seen this. That is, we can either copy or invoke lambda function or replace all object, delete, restore, object lock, retention, everything. Here we will be doing copy and replace all object tags. We don't need to click this, as when we give copy itself, we will be having option called either we can replace all the object tags or copy existing tags. So let's give the destination first. So for this destination, copy destination, browse this and give us USA. We have chosen this path and it will be in standard. For object tags, replace all object tags. As it is Avengers, 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 UPER. For all the objects, we will be changing object tags here itself. And also we are going to copy from India to USA in a batch. In single batch, everything will be done. Give next for all objects. So we have completion report. We can have a completion report. We can choose completion report in USA. After giving that, I need to have a separate folder, completion, completion report folder. So after completing, the folder will be created and it will be getting saved in this folder. We can check the report. After giving that, we have to give IAM role. That is, our S3 batch operation has to be given IAM role. So we don't have role. So let's create a role. So go inside IAM dashboard and check for roles. So we are going to create a new role for S3 batch operation. So we are having like this AWS service. In this, choose S3. So give S3. We will be having S3 and S3 batch operation. So use case will be S3 batch operation. So click that and give next. So after giving that, we have to give policy permission to type S3. So give S3 full access so that we can easily do all the hands-on. S3 full access and give next. So role name would be YouTube S3 H3 batch operation and create role. So it has been successful. So go inside this and refresh. So when we go inside and check for YouTube H3 batch operation, which we have created just now, click that and that's it. Give next. This is just for review and great job. Go inside the job. So we have to run the job. Run job. Let's wait for some moment. Go inside S3 buckets. So we can open S3 bucket USA. So we have done a batch operation from Amazon India to USA bucket. So let's check what is inside this. See, we have all the objects. The batch has been completed. In few seconds, all the things that is, if consider this is billions of objects, within few clicks, it will be copied here and the object's name will also be changed. So let's open this and check for the tag which we have updated, whether it has been updated or not. We have copied. One part is copy we have done, and other part is we have updated that tag names. So when we go below tag names, see Avengers, superheroes. So our batch has been successful, and we also have batch operation successful from Amazon. That is, it is completed, and we have the report to go inside the bucket. The report should be here in USA. So completion report, go inside completion report. We are having this report. Thank you, guys.